Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
VidPalAi review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called VidPalAi. So this is the VidPalAi review. Right now we are on the sales page where it says unleash your online video marketing success with whiteboard video mastery. Meet brand new ChatGPT 4 powered app that writes, records and creates terrific whiteboard sales videos, business ads, informational explainer tutorials, squeeze page and product promo videos in the blink of an eye. Drive traffic, Bloody Mary English. Eyes don't blink. It's your eyebrows which blinks. FYI. Can you blink the eye? Or you just blink the eyebrows? You know, eyes close, eyes open, eyes close, eyes open. Are you actually blinking the eye? I don't think so. You're blinking your foreskin of the eye, which is called something. Maybe that thing called eyebrow. Okay. So Bloody Mary English. Loophole. Exploit somebody to make money online. Get over yourself. Drive traffic to your blogs and offers boost conversions and skyrocket sales in hot niches. This line makes no sense to me. Okay. The job of the software is only to create some explainer or whiteboard videos, tutorials, whatever. After that, you get traffic or not, you get sales or not, it is not the job of the software. You got it? Let's scroll down. So you can read everything, and by the way, if you want to come to the sales page, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab VidPalAi copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you can come and check out everything. And this is the members area. This is now working right now. This is launching on 30th of October. I'm making an early review 2 days before, but I'll show you some sample videos or tutorials which you will be able to create using the software. So let's keep scrolling, and you can see here they're showing how people can sell these videos for hundreds of dollars as a freelancer and make some money. So yes, if you are an established freelancer, you can use this to maybe publish a new gig or new portfolio that you're also providing these video tutorial or whatever creating services. Okay, so where are these samples? Right here. Let's play one of them. Okay, so let's mute them and then play them, and then let's see what do we have here. So what is this? It's taking a while. Let's fast forward this for you. Okay. You know what? Do it in your spare time. So come to the sales page and then play these videos one by one. Check them out, and you would know how you will be creating these videos. Okay, so these are some tutorials, and then squeeze page demos. So in case you want to have a video on your squeeze page or on your landing page, you can create all those videos with this. Okay, and come on this page and watch these videos yourself in your free time. And then let's get to the bottom to see if we have some questions before you buy this. Okay, now remember, while we are talking, this is not for newbies, by the way. This is for people who are tech savvy and who needs to create these kind of videos either for themselves or for their clients. So if you're a newbie, stay and watch the video till the end. Newbies don't need to buy this. Okay, now we have a couple of options here. So you can pay them $13 to get the personal use license, or you can pay them $17 to get the agency rights. More details you will find when you will read everything here. Okay, so questions are right here. What is VidPalAi? It is this. Okay, how is this different than some of your past tools? Oh, too much to read. Do you charge any maintenance fee? No. What if I'm not happy? Then they should have money back guarantee of 30 days. Okay, are there any video tutorials? Yes. Provide support? Yes. VidPal newbie friendly? Of course. How do I get VidPal? Click on the button below and go and buy. Okay, so again, if you want to buy this software which will help you to create some explainer videos, whiteboard videos, tutorial videos, go and buy this. You will find the link below. And then there are some OTOs right here. This is the OTO, this is the front end. And then this is OTO number 1, Pro, your bro. Then OTO 2, reseller. And that's all, I guess. But let's check here. There you go. So 17, and then not many OTOs, maybe a couple of OTOs, only 2 or 3 OTOs, okay? So you can buy whatever you want to. Otherwise, you can just, get on with your front end in $17 only, okay? So again, who is this for? This is for people who are working with videos. Either they work, they make videos for themselves, or you are a freelancer and you need to make videos for your clients, okay? If you're into that category, go and buy this. If you're a newbie, don't buy, because you may never have made a video online. So I think if you want to work with videos, you can still make money with simple videos like me, because I find my video is the most simple video on the planet, because all I am doing is recording my laptop screen and using my voice. That's my video for you, okay? It can't get any simpler than that. But for 99% people, coming on YouTube is like only a dream. So it was a dream for me too. And I thought I was not somebody who was made for YouTube, but now I can't shut up. So what do we have here? So VidPalAi, go and buy this if you want this. Otherwise, if you're only a newbie and if you only are here because you wanted to make some money online, no problem. I'll show you the methods which will actually make you real money, not something like this. Okay, this is a software. The job is only to make explainer videos, not to make money. Remember, the job of the condom is only to stop your wife from getting pregnant. The job of the condom is not to teach you how to fuck her. Are we clear? So the job of the software is only to create these kind of videos. The job of the software is not to make money for you. If you want to make money online, do what I do, maybe make these YouTube videos. If somebody else will buy something from you, you will make money. So for example, here you have this first link. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. As Forex trading is like this thing here you see, buy low, sell high, buy high, sell low. We do this on automation by using a software. More details coming shortly. And second method says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube by doing what I'm doing right now. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and watch the video till the end if you want to know more about these methods. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those 2 videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.